Electric vehicles, EVs, are becoming increasingly popular as people shift towards more sustainable and environmentally friendly modes of transportation. As the demand for EVs rises, so does the need for more efficient and streamlined production processes. This is where robotics comes in. In this video, we will explore the use of robots in manufacturing EVs and batteries. We will look at how robotics is helping to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve the quality of EVs and their components. We will also examine the challenges of implementing robotics in this industry and how they are being overcome. One area where robotics is playing a significant role in EV production is in battery manufacturing. The process of manufacturing batteries for EVs is complex and requires a high level of precision. Robots are being used to improve the accuracy of the assembly process, leading to higher quality and more consistent batteries. Additionally, robots are helping to increase production speed and reduce costs by automating tasks such as cell sorting, stacking, and packaging. Another area where robotics is being used in EV manufacturing is in the assembly of the vehicle itself. Robots are being used to perform tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly. These tasks are often repetitive and require a high degree of accuracy, making them well suited for automation. By automating these tasks, production times can be reduced, and the quality of the final product can be improved. However, there are also challenges to implementing robotics in the manufacturing of EVs and batteries. One of the main challenges is the high initial cost of robotic systems. Another challenge is the need for highly specialized programming and maintenance. These challenges are being addressed by the development of more flexible and adaptable robotic systems and the use of machine learning algorithms to streamline programming and maintenance processes. In this video, we will also examine the potential impact of robotics on the job market in the EV manufacturing industry. While there may be some job displacement due to the automation of certain tasks, the increased efficiency and lower production costs associated with robotics could lead to overall growth in the industry and the creation of new jobs. Overall, the use of robotics in the manufacturing of EVs and batteries is providing a number of benefits, from increased efficiency to improved quality control. As the demand for EVs continues to rise, we can expect to see even more innovative uses of robotics in this industry in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest advances in robotics and automation.